Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, which is right here, so let's tap on it. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do right now is to take a look at this option tab, in my case in this configuration on the right. So all we have to do is to tap on the icon, the third icon from the top, so it is the timer. And basically we've got 4 different options: the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option, and as you can see, whenever you will apply the timer, this section, this icon will be highlighted in this yellowish color, which is really important and really useful. You can always check whether you've got the timer set or not, so you will not be surprised after taking a photo actually that you've got the countdown or something. So let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device should, and our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 I believe, or 2, depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will simply take a photo. So of course, as I said, you can apply all of the options of the timer, and you can always turn it off just by tapping on this icon at the top of the list. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.